everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I'm here to share with you guys a rubber stamp haul. I hadn't did any type of hauls in quite some time, but I decided to show these because we got some chocolate girls. Hello. Yes. So let me show you. All right. The first up from Unity Stamp is her name. Is it Nia? Naya? Girl? So, that's her. You can just type that in and she'll pull up. They had a really good sale, and they got a sale now, but they had a good sale on the stamp, so I went on and got partial of what I wanted. And I started playing with her, and I got another girl. Started playing with my alcohol markers to see how could I get a skin color tone, because I was using some other brand of markers, not my normal ones that I have. So, and then this is Robin, the other girl that's on the picture. Don't be eye candy, be soul food. Okay. All right. Next up, we have, I think I done dropped one. Kimmy girl. And I got her because of the coffee, of course. Perk up. What it says, dear coffee, I love you. That is all. So I got it because, I love coffee. Y'all already know that. I got this Christmas one, Holly Girl, right here. And they are big. Yes, ma'am. They are large. Let me see. I guess I could be prepared. Let's start over here. This girl is it on the packaging before I go through all that? Hold up. No. Okay. This one, 4 3/8. 4 3/8. They are big. She is 5 7/8. And who else? Kimmy. Kimmy is 4 3/4. So you get an idea, they're like big. And I got these litty bitty stamps. They call itty bitty. This one right here, because it got the teapot. Boom, boom, boom. 2 inches. This cute cupcake. I'm imagining about the same. Yep, right at 2 inches. This cute cupcake with the butterfly. This one right here, Mugs of Hugs. Two 1/8. All right, we have this one called Ziva. This is Ziva Girl. Yes. Now she ain't as big. What's she working with? 4.5. Oh well, I lied. 4.5 inches. Yes, she is. It's about carrying on, having fun, and enjoying life. Chocolate. This cute cupcake border. Thousands of cupcake calories. And you see it's like a border. Or you could just, cut them out and, do one. 4.5. These are all itty bitty. That one is itty bitty. And then this cupcake. You see I was in a cupcake mood. Love you more than cupcakes. The little cupcake is 1 3/4 inches. And the sentiment is big too. Around that same. And the biggest, largest stamps that I got was this one. It's called Cup of Comfort. And it has the cup with all these sentiments in there. And as you can see, I haven't punched these out or did anything. The cup is big. Okay. Come through. 3 1/4. Is that 3 1/4 or am I adding a rubber? 3 1/8. And those sentiments nest right in the cup. And that hearts. And then you got a butterfly and another heart. So that is it. You guys, I just want to share my Unity stamp haul, and I'll go back through them just in case you missed a number or something. You can get them. Where's this? Okay, no, this one just say Sentiment Kit from 2017. All right. Oh, and also before I forget, I got this for free. This was a free stamp. I just cut the wine part off. And it's she is, and I say that because I don't drink, obviously. She is 3, might well say 3 inches. So I got this one free. That's the number right there. And then I also got these free. Some little rubber stamps. There's some little small rubber stamps. I got it says Let It Snow, a snowflake, and then this one says you can't see them obviously. Let It Snow, snowflake, and this one says thank you for being my friend. I stamped them out to see what they said. All right, let me speed this up. Okay, so that's the cupcake. That's that one. Other cupcake. Ziva Girl. This cupcake. That's that number. Mugs of Hugs and sending you comfort. Sending you out a cup of comfort. And their stamps are already trimmed. All you got to do is pop them out. So I don't have to cut them. Thank the Lord. Kimmy, Robin, Holly, Nia, or Naya, however you want to pronounce it. All right, you guys, that is it for my Unity stamp haul. And I'll be back to share with you guys some projects for that and do some, it'll be a giveaway and things like that, okay? So I will be back with another video. Bye.